Hi, I'm Glenn with Independence Training.
And I'm Dave with Independence Training. We just started our focus courses, which are half-day, skill-specific programs.
Things like defensive carbine with a focus on the AK-47.
And handgun, with a focus on defensive presentation and movement.
And we're doing 2 IFAC focus courses. The first one is going to be just scenarios like we do in our full-day class. The second one is going to be adding a live fire element. Gun, gun, gun! I'm hit! I'm hit! I'm hit. I got you, buddy. You're bleeding pretty bad. It's going to hurt a lot. Here we go. All right, buddy, we're going to put a tourniquet on that. All right. And a handgun class with a focus on working in and around vehicles. Gun left, get out, get out, get out! Coming out! We're going to be teaching 2 UTM focus courses. One with movement and a carbine inside of structures, and the second one with movement and a handgun around people and objects. Down, down, down! Get out of the way!
We also have first aid awareness, which focuses on identifying emergencies, preparing and stabilizing patients for transport, and basic first aid treatments. These classes are already up on our calendar, and you can find and register for them on our online store.
If you have a specific skill set that you'd like us to teach a focus course on, email us, info@trainingaz.com. Until we see you in class, stay aware, stay safe, and train hard.